Imagine stepping into a world where the ordinary doesn't exist, where artificial intelligence, AI, is not just a concept but a weapon in our fight against global warming. Picture this. A colossal machine churns through mountains of data, gleaning insights, drawing patterns, predicting trends. This is not make-believe. This is the extraordinary power of AI, our secret weapon against climate change. Now think about your day-to-day life, your habits, your routines, your location. What if all this information could be fed into this AI-driven system to create a tailored climate action blueprint just for you? Yes, you heard right. Personalized, data-informed game plans that are a perfect mix of your lifestyle and carbon neutrality. This is not about vague, overarching strategies, but about meaningful, doable changes that can transform you into a climate warrior. It's about harnessing the predictive prowess of AI to let you carve your unique path towards a greener future. This, my friends, is not a tale from a science fiction novel. It's a reality that is gradually coming to life, offering us a breakthrough, data-fueled plan of action in our battle against climate change. Picture this, an AI mentor, showcasing how your everyday activities can contribute to this colossal transformation. Remember, every effort counts, and with AI, we can make them count even. It's not just a concept, it's happening right now. Let's dive into some real-world examples. Picture this, an AI tool that's as personalized as your Netflix recommendations, but instead of suggesting what to watch next, it's guiding you on how to reduce your carbon footprint. This tool, utilizing machine learning, scrutinizes your lifestyle and location data to devise a unique, tailored climate action plan. It's like having a personal climate coach in your pocket, empowering you to make informed choices that can significantly mitigate the impacts of climate change. Now that's what we call smart living. Moving on to the world of finance and governance, AI is playing a game-changing role in risk assessment and planning. Businesses and governments are now employing AI-powered tools to foresee and prepare for the financial implications of climate change. These tools analyze a myriad of data points, from weather patterns to economic indicators to predict potential climate risks. This enables organizations to allocate resources effectively, safeguarding their operations and the communities they serve from the adverse impacts of climate change. It's like having a crystal ball, but with the power of algorithms and data science. Lastly, let's take a trip to the countryside where AI is revolutionizing agriculture. Machine learning and remote sensing technologies are helping farmers optimize irrigation and fertilizer use, reducing wastage and improving yields. But that's not all. AI is also recommending resilient crop varieties best suited for changing weather patterns. This means farmers can continue to feed the world even as our climate changes. Talk about a green revolution. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used to combat climate change. It's exciting to see how this technology is not just transforming our lives, but also playing a pivotal role in safeguarding our planet. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Impressed by what you've heard so far? But the story doesn't end here. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the power of artificial intelligence in combating climate change. You've seen how AI can tailor climate action plans, mitigate financial risks, and revolutionize agriculture. But there's so much more to explore, to learn, and to contribute. We can all play our part in this fight against climate change. How? Start by educating yourself. There are countless resources out there to learn more about the intersection of AI and climate change. Look for online courses, webinars, and articles that delve deeper into these topics. You'll be amazed at how much you can discover. Then, think about how you can apply this knowledge in your own life. Perhaps you'll find ways to reduce your own carbon footprint or inspire others to do the same. Remember, each one of us can make a difference. Let's leverage AI to create a better, more sustainable future.